continue to be discharged into the sea in the year 22-23, Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, over 1,331.17 TMC was let out, followed by 848.96 TMC in 24-25. Authorities have meanwhile released varying volumes of agriculture and drinking purposes through Krishna Canal system, sir. This is about Krishna. And if I have to talk about Godavari water, sir, Telangana this monsoon season, sir, Godavari River discharged a staggering 4,179 million cubic feet TMC of water into the Bay of Bengal, June and October 15th. Only 163 TMC was utilized for irrigation, drinking and industrial purpose, sir. Only 163. So the reason for me to bring this data is that, sir, reason is that, sir, I read and I was expecting Honorable Minister Saab would mention about this. A tribunal बनाया गया है और उसमें हम जाने वाले हैं, अपने हक की लड़ाई लड़ने वाले हैं, तो उस वक्त शायद हमको ये चीज काम में आ सकती है, सर. So that Union Minister for Jal Shakti, Water Resources, has constituted 13-member high-level committee to examine and resolve water-related issues between the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, sir. So to address the Krishna River water sharing issue, the Government of India has also notified additional terms of reference to the Krishna Water Dispute Tribunal 2, which is Brijesh Kumar Tribunal, on 6th of October 2023, sir. Sir, while the tribunal 2 years tenure ended on August 1, 2025, ongoing hearing necessitated an extension until 31st July 2026, sir. Moreover, under Section 84 of Chapter 9 of AP Reorganization Act, an Apex Council was constituted comprising the Union Minister of Jal Shakti and Chief Ministers of Telangana and AP. The Apex Council met on 6th of July 2025 in New Delhi under the chairmanship of Union Minister with both the Chief Ministers in attendance. Thus, efforts are on to resolve the water-related issues between the state of Telangana and AP with the constitution of Apex Council and 13-member high-level committee by Ministry of Jal Shakti, sir. The Brijesh Kumar Tribunal is also expected to give its award on additional terms of KWDT2 before end of July 2026. Sir, I was expecting Honorable Irrigation Minister to brief on this and mention all these points. But I don't know what was the reason that he just missed out on this, sir. Honorable Panel Speaker, sir, in this backdrop, I think it is in quite bad taste for the ruling Congress and the main opposition to indulge in mudslinging, witch hunting, washing dirty linen against each other on the issue of Palamuru Rangareddy lift irrigation scheme, sir. Sir, when I say this, the BRS also will be unhappy with me. The government also will be unhappy with me. Sir, I am saying this. The reason is that, sir, we have all these issues. Sir, I want Honorable Chief Minister Saab to kindly correct me or clarify on a thing which I want to know, and I'm sure the people of the state is also wanting to know. Sir, we are exposing who? BRS. But sir, we have to maintain a cautiousness in this. The reason I say that when we are exposing them, we should not expose our state interest. Our state interest is more than the interest of the nation. This is what I think. Is being presented, whatever is being showed, I hope this will not become an evidence against us and our claim. It shouldn't be taken as in the tribunal or elsewhere, that we have seen in your